beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this mouth-watering egusi soup on a budget. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Yeah, so here is my pumpkin leaf. I'm going to be using pumpkin leaf. So I'll wash it, chop it and set it aside. Next is my uziza leaf. Okay, I'll wash, chop and set it aside. So the combination of those vegetables is so good. Next in my pan, I'll be adding in my palm oil. So I'll heat this up a bit, and after a few minutes I'll add in my onion. So I'm gonna stir fry this onion till it is translucent. So next I'll be adding in my fresh pepper. I'm going to stir everything together to combine. Fresh pepper have this tangy taste, so all I'm doing is to stir fry it and let the tangy taste go off. Okay, I'm going to stir fry this for a bit, and this is going to be a fry method egusi soup. I have a non-fry method egusi soup on the channel. You can also check that out. Okay, so next I'll cover it, cook for a few minutes, and after a few minutes, this is what we got. I'm going to stir this a bit more. And next I'll be adding in my cow skin. And this is washed already. Please go in with any protein of choice. Next I'll be adding in my stockfish flakes. Use any protein of choice. So I'm going to be stirring everything together. So this will combine very well with the sauce. And the sauce is doing amazing. So I'm going to be adding in my seasoning powder. Please use any seasoning powder of choice. I use chicken seasoning powder. Go in with any seasoning powder of choice. So I'm going to stir everything together, and our soup base is doing amazing. We are building up flavor here. Okay, we are building up flavor. Next I'll add in my blended melon. All I did is to blend it with water, and this is what I got. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support, and I'm not taking your love for granted. Okay, and if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, like this video, share to your loved ones. Please don't forget to drop your comments. I will be very glad to respond to your comments. Okay, so let's stay connected. Let's continue cooking. So next I'll be adding in my cooked chicken. You can use any protein of choice, as I said earlier. I'm going to be stirring this, combining everything together. I went in with a bit of meat stock to loosen it up because I found out that it was too thick. Okay, so stir everything and cook for a few minutes. And after a few minutes we are back to check on it. I still added in more water because I noticed it was very thick. So this is my consistency. This is what I'll be going for. So you can go for a thicker one or a lighter one. The choice is yours. So for me, this is my consistency. I'll be adding in my ugu leaf and my uziza leaf. The combination of this vegetable took the soup to another level. The taste was amazing. So if you've not tried combining the two vegetables together, please do, and you are gonna definitely love this recipe. So I'm gonna stir everything together. Look at how beautiful this is. It is so good. The taste was amazing. I'd love you to try this recipe and let me know what you think about this video. And what swallow do you think will go with this? Let me know in the comment section. So all I did, stir for 1 minute and you are done. This is my final look. Try this recipe and I'll see you in my next video. From me is bye.